In this tutorial, we will learn how to set up a Zapier automation for your Adalo app. Before we begin, make sure you have an Adalo account, a Zapier account, an Adalo app, and your automation idea. For this example, we will send a welcome email to users who sign up. This is a great way to personalize your onboarding. For this automation, you need two things: a trigger and an action. In this case, the trigger is the creation of a new record in your user's database, and the action is the email that is auto-sent. Now let's go to our Adalo app. We know that a new user is created when a person signs up on the sign up form. We can go to the left panel and see that the submit button has a sign up user action. Here we can add another action. When we go to new integrations and select Gmail, a modal pops up. This modal has Zapier templates that are ready to use. You can also create your apps from scratch, but for this example, we will use the preloaded template. This will open up a new window in Zapier, which has a trigger and an action. Once you open up each expandable, you will need to set up this app according to Zapier's help docs. This will include choosing events, accounts, your app, and the collection that will be the trigger. Be sure to have at least one record in the collection that you've chosen, as Zapier would need it to test the trigger. Similarly, to set up the action, you need to choose the service, the event, your accounts, and add all the information that is required to send the email. This information will be pulled from the previous step, and for the setup, Zapier will use the test trigger information that it has just pulled. To test the final step of the Zap, Zapier will perform the action using the test trigger information. In this case, it has sent an email to the email ID mentioned in the test trigger step. Once you're able to check the results of this app, you can publish it and turn it on. And that's it. This is just one example, but the possibilities are endless.